one-track mind of food right now. Trip. He's got a one-track mind of food.
Oh, really?
Let me give him a little treat. Here you go, Trip. Oops, sorry.
Get a treat for him.
There's your treat, okay? There.
Oh, look at that.
Because he falls over for belly rubs. He's so funny. But not while he's got treat on his mouth.
The little ones, they love too. The little ones, they love the
Oh, yeah.
the belly rubbing. Oh my God, look at that. That's awesome.
Hello, pigs. Nice to meet you.
Did you eat everything?
They're big.
Did you finish?
Give me a drink of water.
That looks like a Hey,
Yeah, let's go.
Look where you're walking. Careful.
Yeah.
That's a good drink of water, huh,
Drink
Trip?
the water. See, he likes it. Oh, that's so good. The fur I never touched. Oh, that's
that
nice. That feels
like a
good.
That
That's
looks
nice.
like a widow's.
Better than Draco. Draco's our dog.
You got a soccer ball there.
Oh, they play. They're so smart. They play. You can teach them how to do so many tricks. Isn't that I was reading about it? That is
Trip, you
so
want to tickle? Tickle time?
amazing.
Tickle
You
time.
want belly rub?
Come, tickle time. Let's go tickle time here. Come here. Come here.
You want belly?
Go, tickle
Get
time.
bellies.